Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be sharing my experience of biryani by kilo. Yes, this is it. I'll be sharing everything including the prices that's going to be written along with the video. So I have ordered from them. I have ordered the biryani and I have ordered side dish. I have ordered the dessert, and I will be doing a taste test as well as a detailed review. I'll be sharing everything with you. I have got some exciting news as well for you guys. But before I get into the main video, I went through my statistics and I have seen that most of you watch the video but do not subscribe to my channel. So it's a request, if you love watching my videos, if you find it entertaining, find it informative, find it good, please subscribe to my channel because it will help me, encourage me to come up with more such videos for you guys. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have already subscribed, thank you very much, and press the bell icon because you will get notified when I come up with a new video. And let's quickly get into this video. So firstly, let me show you how they pack the food. This is how they pack the food. They are maintaining all the safety standards while preparing the food as well as packing the food and delivering the food to your doorsteps. I couldn't shoot the part when the delivery person had come to drop the food down at my doorstep because I was a bit busy at that time. And the good news for you guys is Biryani by Kilo has finally launched their own app that you can download from App Store, and I have used their app to place my order today. It's super easy and simple, and I have ordered it from the new branch that is located at Gold Park, and I will be showing you how you can give dum to your biryani using the traditional anaj that they provide. You buy a matka biryani, and this is a 1 kg Hyderabadi murg biryani. This is the non-veg kebab platter. It comes with 2 different type of dips and a salad, and you have got 4 different types of kebab: mutton galoti, chicken sheikh, tawa fish, and chicken jamuni tikka kebab. And now this is the mini anaj that they provide with the matka biryani, and this is used to give dum to your biryani. Instructions are also written on top of it that I just showed you. You can use the mini anaj to give dum to your biryani. I will actually show you how to give dum to your biryani by using the mini anaj. If you don't want to do it like this or give dum to your biryani by using this anaj, firstly let me show you what you get inside this. You get 2 small candles, and I will show you exactly how to use it properly and how to give dum to your biryani. All the instructions are written out here. Just don't tear it open, rip it open. So if you cannot know or cannot follow the video, though I am doing it very slowly for you guys, you can read the instructions and give dum to your biryani as well. All you have to do is, after lighting the candles, put it on this small anaj. I haven't lighted the candles yet. I am just going to go and find out the lighter. And let me tell you, this place is well ventilated. My room is well ventilated where I am going to be putting the dum or giving dum, because there is going to be a little amount of fire. This is a controlled fire, but since there is fire involved, it is required that we do it in a well ventilated place. Firstly, what I have to do is I'm using my lighter. I'm going to be taking it and lighting the candles. First, what I will do is I'll just take the সুতলি আউট, আমরা যেটাকে সুতো বলে থাকি বা দিয়াতেও যেগুলো থাকে, and what I will do is I will place it in the anaj. ঠিক আছে, মানে সুতোটাকে আগে বার করে নেবে, তারপরে I'm going to be lighting it, and I'm telling you I'm doing it in a well ventilated place and I'm being very very careful. Like this, you need to light up the candles, and then you need to put the handi অন টপ অফ দিস থিং, ওকে? দম দেওয়ার জন্য এটার ওপরে বসাবে। আমি বারবার বলছি, আমি কিন্তু খুব কেয়ারফুলি করছি এটাকে। আমার হাউস প্লান্টসগুলো এখানেই থাকে, বাট আই উইল আস্ক ইউ প্লিজ কেয়ারফুলি করবে। যদিও বা এটা কন্ট্রোল ফায়ার, পারলে প্লিজ মা বাবারকে নিয়ে বা মা বাবার সামনে এটা করো। আর if you don't want to give them in this traditional way, you can also give them in the microwave. That is also possible. শুধু মুখের চারিদিকে আটা দিয়ে টাইট করা আছে, মানে সিল করা আছে আটা দিয়ে, সেটাকে আগে খুলবে না। I'm being very careful while shooting the video, but I will not ask you to do a setup like this just to give dum to a biryani. Do it in a simple way, okay? Please, just don't create a setup like this. I was shooting, that is why I have done it in this way, and I'm being very careful. I'm repeating myself, I'm being very careful. You don't need to put or do a setup like this, please. Just at a well ventilated place এটা করবে, though it is a control fire, be very careful. So হয়ে গেছে, আমি কিন্তু দেখাইনি, বাট আমি ক্যান্ডেলটাকে নিভিয়ে দিয়েছি। ইট ইজ ভেরি হট মাইন্ড ইউ, বিকজ ক্যান্ডেলটাকে না নিভিয়ে দিলে বাই চান্স যদি ধাক্কা লেগে পড়ে যায়, মেজর অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হয়ে যাবে। সো নাও আই এম ট্রাইং টু ওপেন দ্য মটকা। দিস ইজ দ্য হার্ড পার্ট বিকজ ইট ইজ ভেরি হট। Yes, it has become very hot. কতক্ষণের জন্য দম দিতে হবে? It is for just 8 to 10 minutes. And if you want to avoid this step, you can actually take the handi and put it inside the microwave as well. মাইক্রোওয়েভে কতক্ষণ দিতে হবে সেটার ইনস্ট্রাকশনটাও ওই আনাজ যেটা দেয় সেই লেবেলটার ওখানে লেখা আছে। So yes, finally I am able to take it off. And first let me show you. ভেতরে পড়ে গেছিলো একটা টুকরো আটার। Yes, this is how the Hyderabadi murg biryani looks. হ্যাঁ, আমি আগে সরিয়ে তোমাদেরকে জাস্ট একটা চিকেনের পিস বার করে দেখাই। It smells really good, guys. Yes, this is the piece, and it's so tender that it's falling. The chicken is falling off the bones. This is how the biryani looks. Now it's time for the taste test. Firstly, I will start with the kebabs. I had to voice this part over as my mic stopped working, but I really loved the taste of the kebabs. The portion was good enough for 2 people to share and have. I shared the food with Dad. I loved the taste of the kebabs. Now it's time for me to taste the biryani. The aroma is so good, and the chicken in the biryani is so soft and yummy. Fun making the video, and if you guys loved watching it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and I will catch you guys pretty soon in my next video. Till then, have a nice time and keep cooking with yourself. Ta-da, bye bye.